the edge of the chair. Bante. Sige pa, bante. Yan. Okay. Hold. Push with your hand and with your feet. Up. Okay. Oh, ando na. Let's go to your bed. Come on, let's go. No. I'm here. I'm holding you. Hold on properly. Here, Nai. Here. On your walker. There. Hold there. Okay. I'm in here at the back. Okay. Step for a while. Okay. Turn. Okay. Let's go. There's your bed. You can see your bed? Okay, let's go to your bed. Okay, hold. You're going to fall. We're going to your bed. Okay, hold properly. Oops. Slowly, Nai. No, I'm here. Oops, I'm here. I'm at the back. Come on, walk. Step. Just step. Oops. There's your bed. There's your bed. Slowly. Okay. Turn. At your back. Okay. And sit down. Sit down. Okay. You're not dizzy. You're just weak. Here's your... Okay. Sige lang. Okay, lie down for a while. Okay. For a while lang, ha? Dito tayo lie down na. Dito sa kabila. Here. Okay. Okay. No, you're not. You're strong. You're just not used to it. Sunod. Tagalan natin. Okay. Prop up natin lang, ha? Taas pa. 1, 2, up.
Yan.
It's good.
Later.
It's good.
Ay, hindi matulog. Nay, I'm going to check your blood pressure. Hindi matulog. Sabi ng doktor, bawal matulog.